Yeah, as you all know, we have two types of firewall. One is at the VM level, other one is at the subnet level. So here, the VM level firewall, we use a tag. Okay, to be more specific, we call it as network tag. Can you see this? Network tag. So tag means giving a name to your virtual machine, so which you can easily identify. This is not the VM name, but it's a tag name that I'm going to show you now. So what we're going to do is, firewall level, all traffics are allowed. If you look at this diagram, if any traffic from external world, if it want to enter to a virtual machine, first it has to enter into subnet level, and then it should enter into VM level. So subnet level, all traffics are allowed, but at the VM level, we're gonna block few ports. First port is RDP port, and the second port is internet port. And remember, RDP is a incoming traffic that is called ingress. Internet is a outgoing traffic. We call it as egress. Understood? All of you, guys?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, boss.
Yeah, boss.
Yes, boss.
Yes.
Sure. So let's go ahead. So let me log into my machine. And switch to my project. Compute engine, VM instances. Here you all can see I have my two machines running here, and one machine I have an external IP, the other machine I don't have any external IP. So let's go with this machine. Click on edit. Can you see a tag here, all of you?
Yes.
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 Okay. So I'll call it as VM1 network tag 1. So I'll say I'll call this, and then I'll save this. So now you all can see this specific virtual machine have a network tag. So you can see this here. Can you all see this?
Yeah, Bhaskar. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, great. So now we have, as you all know, we have firewall. First, I'll make sure I could able to RDP to this machine. Let me turn on this machine and log into this machine and verify that RDP works without any restriction to the firewall. Yesterday I have already set the password. I just need this IP. Yeah, as you all can see, RDP works, and within this OS I'll show you that internet also works. So both are works. So now network, VPC network, firewall, and as you all can see, there is an existing firewall. We can either modify this firewall or we can create a new firewall. So I don't want to modify the existing firewall, and you all can see there is one priority number here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a manual firewall with little low on priority. Example, my priority will be 999. So what happens in 999, I will block RDP so that it will apply 999 priority rule first, and then it will go to the specific rule. So in this rule, as you all can see, RDP is allowed as a incoming traffic. So now I'll create a firewall, and this I will call it as, or I'll use the lowercase block RDP instance level. This is my firewall name, and then scroll down a bit here, which network you want, and within that network which instance you want, that we can mention it in some time. So I'll set a priority to 999, and direction of traffic, incoming traffic, action on match we should deny, and target, to whom you have to set this target, specify target tag. So target tag is, and we have set a target VM1, what is that, VM1 network tag 1.
Tag 1.
Tag
1. Yes, tag 1.
Yeah, let me verify that name. I'll just, or it's recommended that you just copy, you have a duplicate tag enabled, sorry, duplicate tab enabled, and go back to this VM, just copy paste the tag name, VM1 network tag 1. So I'll come back here, paste. So just paste it here, and IP ranges. So here you can mention any IP in the world, that is 0.0.0.0. Okay, and here you can see specify a protocol. Excuse me. Here the port is 5389 and create it. So all of you pay attention. Which rule will be applied now, guys?
The rule with the lowest priority.
Yeah, lowest the priority, higher the preference. So here the lowest priority is 999 and it's gonna deny RDP. So currently you can see there is an RDP session, and this RDP session is an existing session. So let me log this off. And let me try to log in now. Initiating remote connection. Is it allowing a session now? All of you?
Not yet.
No, not.
No, it should not allow a session. So can you all do this?